Hey guys, welcome to Root Expert. In this video I am going to show you how to get iPhone X navigation gestures on Android. So let's start. First of all, download the navigation gestures application from Google Play Store. Then open it. After opening, you will see an window like this. Tap on the arrow button now. Now tap on Grant, then check the Permit Drawing over other apps option. Then again tap on arrow button, then Grant, then turn on the accessibility setting of navigation gestures application. Then tap on arrow button for 5 times. Now tap on tick button. Then check on gestures enabled option. Now you can see a gestures button on the bottom side of your screen. You can customize this button by tapping on gear icon. Tap gestures to customize the gestures action. You can use the gesture button as a home button. Just tap once on the button and you will go to your home. Swipe right to open recent app panel. You can open Google Assistant by long pressing the button. You can use it as back button by sweeping left. You can customize the gestures action anytime. Just tap on any option and choose the action. You can customize the button size, color and others things. Just tap on appearance and customize as you wish. Uncheck show pill shadow option to off the gesture shadow. You can change the button color, the button border color and the button corner radius. You can also change the button's width and height. You can change the button's position too. You can change the button's behavior. Tap on behavior and customize as your choice. So viewers, enjoy the navigation gestures as iPhone X. If you want to uninstall this application, you must uncheck the gestures enabled option. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.